the best thing that ever happened to me so far. It has helped me release my full potential. It has helped me realize who I really am, not just as a leader, but also as a being. We have created a lot of good bonds, great friends, great staff, great logistics, and the fact that we have really good food here. Ever since then, right now I feel a lot more confident with my everything. I'm no longer afraid. All my doubts, all my fear, my obstacles, personal obstacles, I have the courage to overcome them. And my dream is for you guys to achieve yours as well. So, if you want to achieve your dream, you have to remove the obstacles, remove your fears, and find the courage and the leader inside you. And to do so, welcome to CC Leadership.